Hi, I'm Stacy Izzard, and I'm the owner and operator of the Goddard School located in Ewing, New Jersey. We are a premier childcare. We cater towards working parents, so we have extended hours. We start with the littlest ones at 6 weeks, and we go up to kindergarteners, so 6 years old. We have had a couple challenges. Honestly, between myself and our director, we're so busy during the day that unless it involves either the social, emotional, or educational needs of the children, everything else kind of gets on the back burner and on my to-do list and doesn't always get done. So what we've noticed here, we have 9 classrooms. As I said, we've been here for about 15 years, so there were ballasts that were not functioning and we needed to replace. There were light bulbs that needed to be replaced. A couple of the classrooms or even the bathrooms, when you have 1 or 2 light bulbs out, it's almost like brings you back to the 90s and it's discoing and the lights are flickering on and off, and we didn't always have time to fix them during the day, so that then became either my responsibility or my husband's responsibility over the weekend to go buy the bulbs, install the bulbs, and it was taking up a lot of our time. I'm gonna say between the 9 classrooms, we probably have a couple of 100 light bulbs in all the classrooms altogether because each one has 3 of the light bulbs. So there were always light bulbs that were out, and it always seemed like the second we then replaced those light bulbs, other ones went out. It was always an ongoing project, primarily for my husband, but it was an ongoing project to replace the light bulbs that weren't working properly. I received an email from John Schwartz, and I think I had some downtime in my life at that moment, and I said, ooh, I know we don't like changing light bulbs, let me give him a call and let me see what his program is about. My husband and I had several Zoom conferences with John, and what we did was he explained the FES Lighting program. We sent him about a year's worth of our PSA&G, who is the company that supplies our gas and electric. They then did an audit. They counted all the light bulbs and the watts and whatever all those engineers do. They then were able to give back to us how much we would be saving if in fact we enrolled in the FES program. What I like the most about FES and their program is we've had other people come in, and there's grants in the state of New Jersey that you can get to upgrade your lighting. Even with the grants through other programs, it was going to cost us several $1,000s to upgrade the lighting. And especially once COVID hit, nobody really has any extra money to spend, and even if we did, we didn't want to spend the money on lighting when the most important thing here are our children and what they're learning and what we're able to provide for them. So as much as we wanted new lighting, it wasn't an expense that at that time we thought we could justify. So what I like about the FES program is there were no upfront costs for us, so it really was a no-brainer. I'm going to say our decision to go with FES was based primarily on 2 factors. The first one was that there were no upfront costs, and the second one was that my husband would no longer have to change light bulbs. And in fact, even with FES, we haven't had any issues. We haven't had any light bulbs that have gone out yet. Luckily, we haven't had many times where I needed to call John to either ask a question or get clarification on anything. But the few times that I have, he's always responsive. They call back. In fact, I'm going to say a few months ago, I asked him to re-audit our school because sometimes it's hard to see exactly where your savings are. You spend a whole lot more money on air conditioning in the summer, so you expect your bills to be higher in the summer. Our lights were installed in August. The contractor that FES used was phenomenal. We enjoyed him. He did a really good job. He was clean. They came on time. I think they finished our school on a Saturday and a Sunday, so they were really easy to work with. And then we got our first bill in September. So I spoke to John, I'm going to say in November, and he then looked at my new bills. He then compared them to last year's bill, and they were spot on with the audit that they did and the estimation of how much we would be saving with our new lighting system. John did a really good job, sent over slides, explained everything to us, and it was very nice to see that their audit that they did before we joined the program was spot on 6 months later.